Alright guys, Billy the Kid Norwood here. Let's go on a scooter ride. How about that? Today's date is September 8th, 5:42 p.m. I'm going to take you to this park, to the Hutto Park, and I'm going to take you up and show you the old high school, super old high school, and baseball fields and stuff. So let's go, guys. Let's turn this bad motor scooter on. Here we go, guys. Let's go. Going 15 miles per hour, guys. 15 miles per hour. Maximum speed. Got some birdhouses there. Got some practice ball fields here for the little kids or adults. Coming up on a little bridge here. This will be fun. Yee! Woo! Yeah, some barbecue grills, picnic tables, bathroom, parking. Looks like we're gonna have some baseball practice today with some kids. Alright, guys. We're gonna continue on our way and see if we can make our way on up to the big ball fields and the old Hutto High School. This is Billy the Kid Norwood. 15 miles per hour. Let's make the jump to light speed. Sewer plant over here, kind of stinkies over here, guys. Sewer plant. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah, check out this sewer plant. Ugh. I guess it's where they clean some of the sewage water. There you go. Thank God this ain't too close to the house. And then here's a little creek here. I wanted to show you this little creek here. We just ran over this creek. Yeah, here you go. Doesn't that just look delightful? Oh, that looks gross. This looks gross. All right, let's get back to the ride, guys. Alrighty. We're gonna be going underneath Highway 79, under the bridge. This sidewalk continues underneath the bridge. And then we're gonna be right at the baseball fields, another part of the park. Let's go check it out, guys. Bumpy on this road. We're coming up on the 79, and there's a railroad track right there. Okay. There's 79 over there. It's actually just right up on here. Railroad comes through here, gosh, all the time. It's like 20 times a day. Be cool if it came by now, but I don't see it. Got a few cars coming by now, and then we're gonna make our way over there. Go ahead. All right, let's go. We're gonna go under the Highway 79, baby. Now we're just going underneath the railroad track here. Okay, now we're gonna go up under 79. Y'all wanna go see 79 real quick? At rush hour? All right, let's go up this way. Let's see if I can ramp y'all up this way. Oh my God, this is steep. I got flip-flops on too, so I don't know how well I'm gonna be able to see. But there you go. There you go, boys and girls. There's the baseball fields over there. We're gonna go check those out here in a minute. And the old high school, Hutto High School. So we get some video here. And the approximate time is 5:54 p.m. It is September 8th. It is a Wednesday. So we'll get some traffic coming by here. All this traffic's heading east on 79 towards Taylor. So there's Hutto there, and then of course this other way is going to be Taylor. All right, guys, let's get back on the road. Oh, let's see if I can get down without killing myself here. These damn flip-flops on. This is super steep here, you can see. Oh my God. Wow, I made it. Okay. Let's go under this bridge. Let's go under 79 bridge here. There we go. A little dark in here. A little dark, and you know what? Usually there's water in here, but I guess because of summertime, we haven't got much rain lately. There's no water in here. Anyways, nice and cool in here. No, I just burned rubber right there, guys. Just burned some rubber. All right, let's go. We're almost at the baseball fields. We're still on 5 bars on the battery on this scooter. Now this is where the kids play ball. These are the nice ball fields over here. And let me show you. Yeah, isn't that cool? Nice baseball field here. Got you a football stadium here. I guess they play some football here. I guess the kiddos do. The old high school is up that direction over there. And I want to show you the rest of the park, and then on the way back we can catch that. So let's go. Just hoping I got enough battery to get back to the car. This thing's good for about maybe up about 6 miles, 3 miles each way. I want to take you over here to cross this other bridge. People coming up here. Let's see if I can get up this ramp here. Let's see. Whee, this thing actually goes up. It's pretty cool. Whee. Oh wow, look, we got more baseball fields over here. Kids playing ball over here, guys. So check it out. This is a real nice playing fields here. You got the kids playing ball. This is really cool. This is great for the kids. Oh, learning how to play baseball. Got the kids out there. Very nice ball fields. Hello. Very nice ball fields. And they got a coach out here teaching the kids how to play baseball. Hard to see through this fence, but all right, pretty cool, pretty cool. Got the kids playing baseball. Reminds me of when I was a kid. All right, let's go check out. We'll go up to this road here, and then we'll turn around and go back. It's called the Glenwood Trail. Yeah. It takes you out to this other road here, and it pretty much, I guess, it ends up at Hover-1 Elementary here, and then just keeps going that way, I guess, over to that neighborhood. You got a lot of neighborhoods around here. So yeah, we're down to 4 bars on the scooter, so I think we're gonna make it back just fine. Got a little traffic here, little traffic action, and there's a view from that way. I guess we could go up and get a little closer there and maybe we see some better video. Gliding along, just gliding along.
I'm gonna walk around here a little bit, okay?
Okay, so there you go. ball field here. Nice ball field. Nice ball field. Several ball fields here. People, parents out here watching their kids play ball. It's very nice out here. Very nice. Oh, way better ball fields than we had when we were a kid, that's for sure. All right, let's try to get out of here and go back on that sidewalk. Hello.
Hello.
Good. All right, let's try to go back onto the sidewalk, and we'll head on back and get closer to that old Hutto High School and that ballpark over there, which is kind of a, I guess, for bigger league baseball. It's a bigger ball field there. It's for the little kids over here. Let's try to go over there. Alright, let's go back that way, guys. Try to get a little closer to that place. Uh-oh. I'm gonna slow it down a little bit here. How y'all doing? I love this park, it's beautiful. All right, here we go, here we go. Put my money at work. Yeah, they did a good job making this. Yeehaw! We'll go the opposite way of that bridge. We already went that way. Get over there so we can get close to the old high school. Now we got 5 bars again. 5 bars on the battery. That's good. All right, let's do a quick right turn right here. Quick right turn. Right turn, Clyde. Let's go check out old Hutto. Oh, got some more practice fields over here. As you can see, more people practicing. Very cool, very cool. And which one we go now? Let's get on this sidewalk. Go check this football field out and the baseball over here. What happened? Uh-oh. I just lost power. I think this thing overheated. Okay, I'm gonna have to let this thing cool down, I guess. Let's power it down. The scooter just, I guess, overheated. So I'm gonna let it cool down, turn it off, let it cool down, and it should come back on in a little while. This is the River Horse Academy here. And I believe this is where this used to be the old Hutto High School football stadium right here. You see that? City of Hutto. It's very nice out here. Really, really nice. Let's go see it up close, guys. While my scooter is cooling down. It's about 98 degrees out here today. Maybe not that much. Hey, there you go, guys. Football stadium. You got your bleachers here. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. All right. Let's go check out the ball field. That looks like they work on the buses over there, possibly. Yeah. All right, well, let's go check out this bigger ball field. Check this out while the scooter's cooling down. because hopefully it turns back on, because it's about to get back to the car, we're looking at about at least two and a half miles, roughly, maybe 2 miles. I could walk it, but in fact it would bother me to walk it. So yeah, that's part of the old high school over there, and that building's over there. Yeah. And they got concession stands here and water fountains. I didn't bring any water with me except in the car. Let's see if I can get some water. Looks like it's on. Let's see. Can I get some water? There you go. Look at there. Good old hello water. Yum. Very yummy. Very yummy. Alright, let's go check out this really cool baseball field here. This is for the big boys here. It's for the big boys. I bet you Hutto actually plays their games here, is what I'm thinking. It says Hutto Softball Association purchased the land from the field. For this field from Carl Peterson, October 1948, and opened for play in 1949. This is called Fitz Park, guys. Check this out. Fitz Park. Look at that. Holmstrom Field at Fitz Park. October 1948. Opened in 1949, guys. Lights were at 1950. Can you imagine? Hutto softball team participated in the International Softball League World Tournament in Long Beach, California in 1958. Wow, that's pretty neat, guys. On July 16, 2009, the Hutto City Council voted unanimously to designate the baseball softball field at 100 Park Street, Holmstrom Field at Fitz Park. Cool, man. Check out these signs, guys. No sunflower seeds. Please keep this area clean, put trash in its place. That's funny. No sunflower seeds. That's funny. This is a nice ball field though. Check that out, guys. I guess this is where the announcer would sit, probably. Really nice. It'd be fun to play a game here. Yep. Guess we can go down here. Oh gosh. Oh. And go check out the dugout. Oh, this is a big ball field here. I mean, they got a nice dugout. Look at this dugout, guys. Isn't that cool? Freaking nice, man. Super nice. Okay, so now what are we gonna do? You go up to this intersection up here? Let's do it. Let's go up here. We're gonna have Scooter turn back on, you think? Turn back on. Let's see if I can go anywhere. Yep, it's working now. So I just had to cool down for a minute, I guess. Hope it doesn't do it again on the way back. Okay, we're at 79 and Park Street. Let's get some traffic. Ooh, burning rubber, baby. There's traffic coming from the Round Rock or downtown Hutto area. To get to my house, you can go down that road there, about 2.5 miles at least. hope you enjoyed the scooter ride, and we'll catch you on the next time. Let the kids know what I'm out for now.